Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. I'm standing right here at Artist Alley, and this is a project that we just got done. And every once in a while, we get to work with a customer that their purpose is so big that I have to bring it out to my audience. And this is John George right here with Blight Busters.
Well, thank you for the work that you've done. You guys did an incredible job. You know, our goal is to save the world, starting with Detroit.
I love it.
And 36 years ago, we got together with a couple neighbors and started cleaning up the neighborhood, boarding up crack houses, and doing really whatever we could do to make it safer. It was always been about the children. We didn't want our children growing up in and around that negative energy, so we decided to do something about it. 36 years later, we're still at it. We've invested almost $50 million in this neighborhood. And right now, we're in the middle of $25 million of development. Sunflower Art Center being the really the crown of this jewel.
Yes.
Once it's open and operational, it's going to be just a really great art space for the community. It'll have lofts upstairs for artists as well as a classroom for the kids. Down below, it'll have a great stage so we can expand our live jazz and our open mic poetry and our spoken word. We want to add comedy night and dinner theater and those kinds of things. Of course, there'll be some commercial units on Grand River so the artists will have space to sell their art, which is important. But my favorite thing about this building, when it opened in 1905, it was a Woolworths with a diner.
Wow.
We're putting the diner back in. You know, in the 50s and 60s, we couldn't sit at the diner with our brothers and sisters without a riot breaking out.
Yeah.
So, calling for a do-over. We're hoping that people can act like adults this time. It'll be known as the Motor City Diner, the Diner of Brotherly Love. And from this corner, we're going to continue to bring people together and create the kind of neighborhood that our youth deserve.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
And so this location, what's the major crossroads?
Well, we're at Grand River and Lasser.
Okay.
We're in northwest Detroit, known as the Old Redford section of the city of Detroit. We meet in the Java House every Saturday, 9 a.m. to do a volunteer effort. We were here last Saturday. We'll be here tomorrow. Well, 2 days from today. Today's Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday. But yes, every Saturday we've met for almost 3.5 decades. Our work, again, consists of cleaning out and beautifying buildings and houses. We have a community garden. Everything we grow, we give away. We're finishing up construction on 48 units of affordable housing. The mayor just spent $1 million in our Arts Alley. So the investments are continuing to pour into this neighborhood, and we're so excited about the future.
How can people get involved with you and support you?
Well, that's simple. Yeah, we work Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Coffee shop is open Tuesday through Saturday, 8 to 5. And if they want to volunteer, it's real simple. They can call 313-255-4355, ask for John George, and we'll let you know what volunteer opportunities are available. We're always looking for that rich uncle to make those donations so we can continue to do God's work. And we've been blessed with foundation support from the Fisher Foundation and other organizations that allow us to continue to do this work. We work closely with the mayor and James Tate, our city council member, as well as our state reps and our state senator. We've really gotten some incredible support, and I believe it's because we're doing the right thing here in Detroit to make it safe and make it right for the children.
I appreciate you
God
and everything
bless
you do for the community.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please keep in touch.
Of course.
Nobody does it better than Brickworks.